What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys why, in my humble insignificant opinion, the new Lume Cube ring light is the best on the market. Now, fairly recently, Lume Cube released their 18-inch ring light. However, today we'll be talking about this brand new release of the 12-inch ring light mini. Now, what sets this light apart from the competition, besides the fact that it can adjust from 1% brightness to 100%, is the fact that this light is portable. Yes, this light is also battery operated, so you're not limited to having a cord or being restricted to being indoors. So without further delay, let's dive in and unbox this baby. So here we have our box, and it comes equipped with this little carrying handle, so when you pick this guy up, you will be able to carry this thing. Also, if you see right here, it says, surround yourself with light, no cords attached. It's kind of catchy, I like that. Turn it to the back and you can see everything that comes in this. So right here it talks about your adjustable brightness from 1% to 100%, your color temperature. This light also has a digital display screen that shows the brightness level and color temperature settings, wireless and portable. Elevate your content and illuminate yourself in any location. No power cords needed. Power adapter for endless lighting. So on top of having the freedom to be cordless, you also have the option to extend your power by having a cord, or if you just want to keep it posted up in the crib, you got a power cord. So inside this box, you get one 12-inch ring light, a ring light AC adapter, a battery charger, a camera mount, a rotating mobile device mount so that you can get your shots from landscape or portrait, okay? It also includes a 6.5-inch stand, a ring light power cord, and a travel case. I can't wait anymore. Let's open this thing up. Just gonna undo these little tabs here and pull this thing out, and nice carrying case. Have your little zipper. Here you got your stand. There's the ring light itself. You get a little goodie bag. Let's see what's in the goodie bag. Got a little cell phone adapter. Got some instructions here. Got a power cord. Battery charger. And another part for the power cord. You also have this little ball joint here for your cell phone adapter. However, I tend not to use this because I don't need my phone to be that high, but that's an option for you guys. Okay, so now to show you guys how to put this thing together. So first we're gonna take our stand. And as you guys can see, this stand is really compact. So to open this, we're just gonna adjust this screw right here, and bada bing, bada boom. And if you want to adjust the height, you simply undo these screws. And look at that. Okay, now this is the light, and if you guys look right here, you'll see a little opening, and you're simply gonna take this and you're gonna slide that onto your stand. And you're just gonna tighten this screw right here at the bottom. Okay, get that nice and tight, and that's pretty sturdy, okay? Okay, next, I'm gonna take my cell phone adapter here, and I'm simply just gonna screw it onto this little screw here. Like so. There's another screw on the back here, where you can simply adjust the top part. Has a nice padding in here to protect the surface of your phone, and also it has some padding back here so that you won't scratch up your expensive iPhone or Android. Okay, now I have my iPhone 13 Pro Max in there, and as you guys can see, it's in the portrait mode. To get it into landscape mode, in case you want to shoot video for YouTube or something, all you gotta do is adjust your screw on the back, rotate it, and boom, you can go into landscape mode. And you can adjust this thing however you want. You can slide your phone a little bit over so that it's more centered, but you guys get the point. So now, bringing our attention to the back of this light, let's show you guys how to get power in here. Now, of course, you have the option of using the included power adapter. This goes into your power outlet, right? So now to turn your light on, there's this little switch right here. So if you flip this switch down to the bottom here with the 1 line, that's going to be for your AC power adapter. And then if you flip it all the way to the top, that's going to be for your battery, which I will show you guys in a minute. Now, there are 3 different modes. This mode right here next to the W is for your power. And to change the settings, you're simply going to push down on this knob right here. And that's going to show you the power. To adjust that, you simply just turn the knob. And as you can see, you can go up to, still going, still going, still going. Woo, look at that light, 100%. And you can turn it back all the way down to as low as 0%, which is off, 5%, whatever, okay? If you press this button again, it's gonna go to your Kelvin, which is gonna be your temperature. Okay, so we go to our Kelvin settings, and now this is the lowest. This is all the way at the bottom here. 3200 Kelvin, and that's what 3200 Kelvin looks like. As you can see, it's kind of a more golden type light. So now, if we go to the opposite end of the spectrum, and we're gonna go to our 5600, and that's a more white light. And you hit it one more time, and that's just gonna show you the status of your battery. And of course, right now it says full because we're using the AC power. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to go cordless. Watch this. Here we go. Nothing connected here, and we're gonna take our battery, and you see these 2 little prongs right there, and if you notice there are 2 little holes. Well, these holes are gonna go into those prongs. So to get that going, we're just simply gonna just slide the battery in there, and it goes in there pretty easily. Okay, now watch this. Click it all the way down to the bottom. Nothing happens because that's for your power adapter. That 1 line, that 1 little notch is for your power cord. Now you're gonna flip it all the way up, and boom, look at that. Now you have light and no cords. And you can have this thing, take it around with you wherever you want to go, and you've got power. So next, I'm going to show you guys how your subject is going to look based on these light settings. Okay, before I start the next phase of this video, I want to take the opportunity to show you guys the height of this thing. Okay, so I'm about 5'7". It says you can get up to about 6'5", okay? You can adjust the cant on this thing. I can go a little higher than this also, but I just want to show you guys, if you want to showcase something, if you want to show something on camera, you can also do that here. Or if you just want that angle, or if you want to use this as some kind of key light, you can also do that. Okay, you can adjust this just below a 90-degree angle, right there, to a 90-degree angle, or you can just lock it in place here. Okay, so now I've got the lights turned down low so I can show you guys how this thing throws lights. Turn the lights down low. Now I'm about 5 feet away from the light. So this is 5% power at 3200 Kelvin. This is 20% light at 3200 Kelvin. This is 50% light at 3200 Kelvin. And this is 100% light at 3200 Kelvin. So now let's adjust the temperature. Okay, so we'll start at 5600 Kelvin and 10% power. Now we're going to jump to 50% power at 5600 Kelvin and 100% power at 5600 Kelvin. And I will tell you right now that this is the brightest setting. And if you guys look at this hallway here, it's pretty lit up, and I can tell you right now that this is pretty bright. This is what I look like with the ring light. Look at that, guys, no hands. Another thing I like about this ring light is it is super light and compact. So of course they do make this in an 18-inch, but this 12-inch right here is pretty much all that I need. I love it. It's the same brightness in a more compact size. Okay, so now to give you guys some insight on how this thing looks from the front. So here you can see this is the 5600 Kelvin setting, which is pretty magnificent. There's your 10% power setting, and there's your 100% setting. And as you guys can see, there's your 3200 Kelvin. And obviously this video is not sponsored because to this date I have about 20 of you guys, which means everything to me. It's 20 people that took the time to hit that subscribe button and watch my content. So that means a lot. 20 people is a lot. To someone that has 20 million subscribers, that's probably nothing. But to me, man, I appreciate everyone that hit that subscribe button. So thank you guys so much, and I appreciate the 20 of you. So if you're looking for a really good ring light, you can't go wrong with the Lume Cube Mini. And if you're interested, I will leave links in the bio, so go cop this thing. Okay guys, and that's gonna do it for this video. Please do me a favor and like this video, share this video with anyone that may be interested in a ring light. Definitely, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button so that you guys don't miss out on any of my videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.